guys, welcome back to my channel, darkskinbeauty_fe. I hope all of you guys are doing great and you guys had a great month. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this look. So this is the look I created on my birthday and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. So I'm beginning this look with this Balea capsule concentrate lift effect. This is like an oil that helps to smoothen the facial features and it increases the skin elasticity and it also helps with skin firmness. So I am applying this before I apply the foundation. So now I'm using the MAC Pro Conceal and Color Correct, guys. So I'm using this burnt coral color to color correct around my lip area. And today I'm using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in Cappuccino shade. A little tip for you guys here, if you don't like matte finish, I would suggest you combine the foundation with an oil or a cream because it gives you a glowy finish instead of matte finish. So yeah, if you don't like matte finish like me, please use this tip. So here I'm using the Can't Stop Won't Stop NYX concealer, again in Cappuccino shade. I'm using the Sleek Makeup contour kit now to contour my face. I haven't contoured in ages, guys. I know I don't need a lot of contouring around my nose because I already have a sharp nose, as you guys know. But I still like to do it because it makes me happy. I'm now using the Huda Beauty Blondie Baking Loose Powder. So now I'm using the Morphe 360 Nature palette. So the color I'm using now is the matte cream color. It's called Upfront. So guys, as I was doing my makeup on my birthday, my hubby comes in. He surprised me with roses, guys. Come on, like he's the cutest. Yes. My husband is the best. Going back to the makeup, I'm using the shade Soul Fetch. It's a matte cinnamon color. Now I'm using the Urban Decay Moondust palette and I'm using the shade Light Ear. So I'm first applying with the brush. As you can see, there's not much coming out from the brush. So again, I'm using my fingers to apply the colors. This tip I told you guys on my previous video. And finally, I'm using the shade Café. I'm now using the Rimmel London Scandaleyes liner. So off camera, I just applied my lashes, guys. I mean, the difference it makes is crazy. So always after applying the lashes, I like to go over again with my eyeliner. And I'm using the Benefit mascara to sort of merge the fake lashes and the real lashes together. So for the inner corners, I'm using the shade Granite from the Moondust palette. I'm now using the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette in Bronze Sands and I'm using the shade Barbados. Then I'm using the Benefit Rockateur Rose Gold blush. And to finally complete the look, I'm using the MAC Nightingale lip liner and MAC's Lip Cream Retro Matte Tailored Tease. This lip cream is one of my favorite because it just completes the whole makeup look. This is it, guys. This is the complete makeup look. I then normally use the NYX setting spray to finish the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. If you haven't still subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the bell icon button for my upcoming videos. Thank you for all your support so far. I appreciate it so much. I'll see you guys in another video. Till then, bye!